Here at the facility, advanced robotic systems precisely organize the raw ingredients for our luxury vegan leather.
Pressure is stabilizing now. Good. Temperature readings are confirmed within tolerance.
The newly synthesized vegan leather enters the cooling tunnels, where precise robotics ensure structural integrity.
Texture is excellent on this sheet.
And the flexibility holds up well.
The grain on this emerald is superb.
Yeah, far exceeds the sapphire in consistency.
We'll use this one for the main seat.
I'm showing a perfect score on the tensile strength here.
Confirmed. The finish is immaculate.
The magnificent royal throne, upholstered in flawless luxury vegan leather, rotates The flexibility is outstanding. It returned perfectly. Noted. The data confirms the resilience.
Right here, inconsistent grain near the edge.
Yes, documented. It won't do for the royal chair.
Symmetry analysis 99.9%. Stitch accuracy 100%. Verified.
The pressure distribution is completely uniform across the surface. The vegan leather maintains its structure perfectly. It passes the comfort test. Caliper reading is spot on at the seam.
And the 3D tolerance map is entirely green. We're clear for installation. Check the highlights on the stitching. Looks good, ready for the next rotation.
Experience the ultimate in luxury, redefined with our premium vegan leather.
The stitching on this curve is flawless. Absolutely. The texture of this vegan leather is superb. And the density reading here matches the spec sheet perfectly.
That's the beauty shot we needed. The texture is incredible. Absolutely stunning. Let's lock that in.
The surface consistency graph shows perfect alignment right here.
Agreed. The tensile strength is well within parameters.
The detail on this vegan leather is incredible. And
It truly is. You can barely tell the difference.
The motorized slider gives us that perfect reveal on the texture of the vegan leather. It's crucial for the documentary style.
Crafted from sustainable vegan leather, this throne represents a new era of luxury, blending ethical sourcing with unparalleled craftsmanship.